Want to score a perfect 40 out of 40 on the IELTS listening test? That's not just a dream, it's 100% possible. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete strategy, step by step, that can take you from okay to outstanding. Whether you are stuck at a band 6 or chasing that exclusive band 9, this video is for you. So grab a notebook because we are going all in. First of all, let's get one thing straight. To beat the test, you need to understand the test. IELTS listening test is always in the same format. 4 sections, 40 questions, it's around 30 minutes of audio, and you'll have 10 minutes to transfer your essay. Section 1 and Section 2 is everyday situation. For example, let's say booking a hotel or asking for direction. While Section 3 and Section 4 is more academic. Conversation between you and recruiter or a lecturer. Know what to expect and half the battle is already won. Here is tip number 1 and it's huge. Predict the answers. Before the audio starts, you'll have some time to look into the questions. Ask yourself, what kind of word do I need here? A number, a noun, a verb? Is it a name, a location? That little mental prep can prime your brain to catch the answers when it comes because it often flies by in a blink. The moment you stop and stuck in one answer, you risk the next three. I know it's tempting to double check, but the clock is ticking. Train your eyes to be just a few seconds ahead of your ears. IELTS is like your ex, says one thing, does another. IELTS listening, sweet at first, talks too fast, and leaves you confused. For example, like your ex. He said he will marry you, then ghosted, then married your cousin. Classic IELTS. One more example, he intentionally wanted a single room, but later decided to book a double. Guess which one is the answer? The double? Yes. Always listen for correction. If someone says but then, alright, or in fact, that's your cue to pay extra attention. You know where the trap is now. Perfect score don't come from luck, it comes from smart practice. Use Cambridge IELTS, especially 10 to 80. Do one test per day, and after each test, do this 3-part reviews. Check your answer, mark your score. Listen again with the script. Pause and understand what you missed and why you missed it. Shadow the audio, which means repeat what you hear, sentence by sentence, pronunciation, mimicry, and read it. This sharpens both your listening and speaking. Trust me on this. This method is game changer. Learn from your mistakes. Start a mistake journal. Every time you get something wrong, write it down. What type of question it was? What was the wrong answer? What was the right answer? Why you missed it? Patterns will start to show. Maybe you always miss multiple choice. Maybe number trips you up. But that's a good thing now because once you know your weakness, you can fix it up. The real exam strategy. Alright, test day tips. Use all the time in the beginning to read question. Don't leave gaps ever. Use caps if your handwriting isn't super clear. Don't overthink. If you hear it and it fits, write it down. Double check spelling and grammar during transfer time. And finally, trust yourself. You have practice, you are ready. Scoring 40 out of 40 is hard but not impossible. If someone else can do it, so can you. With the right strategy, the right mindset, and the right kind of practice, there is no way you cannot hit that full score. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know your target in the comment section. Now go. Give your exams, guys. Best of luck.